Hello there. We are back today at Bramley-moore as we promised on our live stream on Sunday gone. It's quite sunny today, so the owl sunglasses are out. We're here to give you an update on the Bramley-moore new stadium build. So we've just been up in the air and here it is. So from Sunday, was it Sunday or Monday? It was Sunday, I think. They've actually filled one of these, the back of the concrete in, so there's 2 to go. They actually put one up before it was gutted, we just missed it, just before we got here. So, yeah, we're going to get into this video in a moment. If anyone's seen the Everton game last night, I thought they played really well, to be honest. One of the better performances of the season. Keeper had a fabulous game. What can you do? Right, if you do like this video, you can subscribe to our channel, you can give it a share, leave any comments in the description below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Check out the links in our description if you do want to support the channel in any way, and we will see you soon. Take care of yourselves. Nice and simple, nice and easy today. To have a great week, and hopefully Everton can beat Brighton on Saturday and get out of that dreaded relegation zone. Take care, we'll see you soon. So today is Tuesday the 2nd of May and we've just been down to the Bramley-moore dock and we're just going to do a bit of voiceover work to just point out a few things in the video that you might miss. In this particular shot, you can just see the 2 remaining concrete, as I pointed out from the floor, that are left to be installed. It looks like they might even install them today. Like this particular shot because you can see right through to the actual floor and see some of the work that is actually going on inside the actual stadium. As you're watching this video, you will see there's been a lot more brickwork completed on the corners of the stadium, which will start to look really good. Got the drone up nice and high here so you can see right down to the bottom of the site.